Okay, it looks like we are live. So welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing some more stuff with the Cellular Automata, the TUI app that I've been working on. So, yeah, probably gonna be finishing up today. This will probably be the last one. I was intending to do this the other day, but my internet kept dying, so I was having some problems with that. So let's see. Right now, this is what we've got. So you can randomize it, and you can switch which one you're using. You can go through it. So what I'm working on right now is this section here, the play. So the other day I was working on it, and it was kind of working. And I left off where if you press it, then you get a segfault. So that's not exactly great. I don't remember why that is happening. But I need to try to fix that. So I'm gonna use Neogen here. Okay. Yeah. So let me see where that's kind of happening. So I think I have a function. Hello, Texan. How are you doing? Let's see. I think I have a function here. This is for raw mode. So grid. There was like clay or something like that. Yeah, right here. So this I believe is where it's happening. I don't know why it would segfault though. Might be something to do with this. Let's see. So that's just checking the mode. It's probably in here. Automaton. I'm gonna go get lunch. Okay. Time to wait. Wait, where did I put? Oh yeah, so I passed that in there. Where do I call this at? Probably in here. When I press P. Wait, what is this? Ooh, this is weird. Oh shoot, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's why it's segfaults. Okay. Yeah, because I have to do P and then type out a number. But it breaks when I do that. Okay, so that is what I completely forgot that's what I was doing. That's kind of weird though. I don't know if I want that. Because I can't really just have it keep going, because there were some issues with that, reading the number and stuff, and I don't want to deal with multi-threading right now. So that's what I'm going to do. So this just reads, C does not equal new line. Let's see. Node equals normal. Break. But I need to. Yeah, that just breaks out of the loop. So I need to actually break out of the whole thing. That's not great. Yeah, because then it just breaks and it goes here and it tries to do this. So that is an issue. That could be part of it. Or it could be from this. Let's do, I need to dereference this though. Yeah. So that is an issue, definitely. Could that be the whole thing, actually? Let me see. Okay. Let's see. If I do like 100, then it goes through the whole thing. It's kind of, it's a little weird. Bit flickery. But that was the issue. Okay. Yeah, I was not dereferencing it. So, yeah, this still won't work though. So I need to, maybe I'll just like end the program. Because you do have to type a number. I don't need to print it out now. Okay. Equals play. Yeah, so this won't really work. What if I just set the num? Set the num equal to like 10 or something like that. Can you do that? I don't know if that'll work actually. Assigning it like that. Yeah. Okay, so I need to do like a string copy. 10, 3. I think that should work. Okay, and then, yeah, so if you do that, and you press play, and you do something that's not 1, then it'll just do 10. Okay, that's probably fine. Okay. That's better than, so we don't need to set the mode equal to normal then? Okay, yeah, so it'll just default to 10. That should be okay. Maybe it should be like 50 though, because 10's kind of short. Okay, so why is it flicker like that? Ooh. Actually, yeah, I want to control the counter, not the time to wait. The time to wait should probably be like, be the same each time, but the amount of time it goes for should be changed. Okay, I think that makes sense. So, time to wait. And this can be times like, I think 100 is pretty, maybe 50 was a decent speed. Yeah, and then we just decrement the counter. Okay, that should be okay. So now, run this. Never mind, P. And if I press something else, then it'll be that. Why is it flickering like that? It's not great. Do P and then 100. There we go. Maybe that's not enough time to wait. Maybe it's too long. Let's see. Yeah, maybe this needs to be 20. I'm not sure. No, it still flickers. It wasn't flickering before, so that's not. Yeah, that's too slow, and it flickers. Okay. So I think 50 was a good speed. So we render it, and then maybe we need to sleep here. That matter. Let me see. Whoops. Okay. No. Okay. You sleep code equals normal. I could use a for loop for this instead of that as well. So for counter, I is greater than 0, or minus minus. Then I don't need to actually decrement the counter. I don't think that matters much, but that's okay. Alright, why does it do this? Mode equals play. Is there a better way to clear the screen? Maybe I should look at that. Alright, there's the chat. Maybe I'll move this to a separate one. There we go. Yeah, no, it's there. Alright, so C terminal clear. Yeah, is there a better way than just, let's see, with system clear? Let's see. Demands process. I assume there's a version that might also work on Windows console. I don't really care about Windows. Yeah. Yeah, portability. Yeah, I'll probably use this then. So, let me see how that will work. Because this already wasn't portable, I don't think. I don't think Windows has that. So, there we go. Let me see if that works. It might just do the same thing, though. Okay, I don't know what that's going to do then. It does work. It's a little flickery, though. It does look a lot better, though. Yeah. Yeah, that was pretty good. Shoot, I think I typed in like 10,000. Well, you have the VM tag. Oh, shoot. Yeah, that was from when I was, building a VM, virtual machine. And I just never moved it. There. Now I don't have it anymore. Yeah, because I have this, project. Haven't worked on it in a while. But, it's a virtual machine. So, that is what it's from. I did this for a while, and I am gonna get back to it soon. But yeah, you can see I haven't worked on it in 2 months. Yeah, that is why. Nothing to do with like VirtualBox kind of thing. Shoot, I can't actually stop this until it's over, so it's probably not great. Alright, I'll just quit out of that. Okay. right. So that's good then. That is better. Is there anything else where I'm doing clear? No. All right, so that is fine then. Hopefully that is a bit better. It won't work on Windows, but that's okay. So I think I can commit this. Fixed the seg fault and updated the system clear. Okay. Actually, that probably messed it up because I do this instead. Whatever, it's fine. Okay. What happened? Okay, my Git is broken now. Whoops. Okay. I don't know why that is. So I guess I can't push right now. Yeah. I should be using SSH, but it is not working. So, maybe I need to change that. All right, I'll figure that out later. I'll just push it all after the stream. Okay. Yeah. So what do I need to do now? Yeah. So I do have that though. So I forgot about that. Non-ISO standard escape sequence. So that's because it won't work on Windows, right? Maybe was there something else to do with that? Uh-huh. Alright, that's fine for now. That's fine for now. Okay. What else do I need to do then? So we can play now. Okay. I should probably make it clear. So when you press P, it should come up with enter time to play. In let's see how it's milliseconds, right? So well, it's hundreds of milliseconds. Right. Okay. So when you press that, set mode. Oops. Mode equals play. Actually, can I just print it out? Enter the time to play in hundreds of ms. Alright, something like that. Okay. I think that would be better then. So if I do that, and then P, enter time to play, yeah, so like 50. So I have a second. Is that right? I think it's longer than that. Okay. So what is the time? 1000. So this is microseconds, right? So is it in seconds then? I suppose it probably is. Yeah, but that wasn't. Yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Just was thinking wrong. Alright. Alright. State current, okay. Yeah, so that is pretty good then. Yes, that was 1 second. So, yeah. Okay. Pretty cool. This one especially is cool. Building a TUI application as well, currently. Very nice. Are you using Rust for that? Yes, nice. How is Rust for TUI? I have not done that. Have not done that before. Okay, so that's fine. Do I want to change that? Let me go back here because there was. I could do that. Well, I don't want to use... few good TUI libraries. I'm currently trying Ratatouille. That's a good name. That is a... Let me take a look at that. I like that name. Yeah. Nice. Looks very good. Based on the principle of intermediate rendering with intermediate buffers. Your app must render all widgets. Pretty cool. I should probably try this out sometime. Yeah. Let's look at some of the code for it. Yeah, not that. Install Ratatouille. Okay, yeah. Alright. Looks pretty nice. Very cool. Yeah, I'm just doing it in bare C with no libraries or anything, so not quite as advanced as that. Also, it's a pretty simple application, so. Okay. Mm. So, maybe I should try to make it, make the width and height so you could input that as the user. So, how would I want to do that? So, right now, they're just macros to go to the top. Let me actually neovim. Okay. Yeah. Right now, they are macros that are defined. Let's see, where are they defined? I have no idea. What? I don't know if there's a clear definition, but a CLI for me is a simple application that just prints to stand it out as it goes. Whereas a TUI changes while you interact with it. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds about right to me. Hey, where is... Oh, it's right here at the top. Okay, I missed it. Yeah, so I'm going to need to change that to a variable. Can I just use... I don't know if this will work. No. Alright. Wait, did I actually... Yeah, I forgot a semicolon. Let's run it again. Okay, so... I forgot equal as well. Okay. Okay. Yes, then it doesn't like that. So then the grid couldn't be a global variable. I'm gonna try and recreate a package called Fireplace. Is that the one that you sent that picture of, where it was like a fire? That would make sense to be called that. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. Yeah. So here's where I define grid. So I could define it. Let's see. So what if I? Dang, this is gonna have to change a lot of stuff. I could define it in here. Then I'd have to pass it to everything. So I need to update anything that would take it and pass it to it. Oh, let's see. What do we call from here that would require that? Automaton. So we don't need that. Well, then it would probably make sense to put it in the... maybe not. So I could pass it here. Handle input. Is that where I do that? let's see, and then pass the grid. Some update, and probably the size as well. So I think the width and height wouldn't be during runtime, but it would just be when you call it. So like, you would run, /main, width and height like that. I think that is a fair constraint. Okay, so yeah, for now, I'll actually define these here. So these aren't really constant anymore, so I'm gonna chase it. So for now, I'll just make it like this. Height and width, and then I need to select these, and there we go. And get rid of these from here. So yeah, then I have to pass it everywhere. See, I'll pass it in that same order to avoid confusion. Yeah, then I can accept it here. So I need character grid. Shoot, that's actually make things a lot harder. Well, no, I can make it a double point. I think that'll work. Oh, shoot, that's not gonna work, is it? Yeah, this actually makes stuff really complicated. Where I might have to use dynamic memory. Okay, it's fine. So I won't be able to pass it like that, so I'll need to change the way I'm initializing it. But that's okay. So, init grid. So, in the init grid, I need to pass the grid, as well as the height and width, and anywhere where we do stuff with the grid. So, yeah, let's go here. We're gonna need to pass it as well. I need to pass it everywhere. Here as well. Yeah, for all of those. This one obviously needs it, so I can put it here. Character grid. Height and size width. Okay, and this, I can change to height. I can change this to width. Then I can't index it like this anymore. But I can index it like that times width plus height, I believe. I'm pretty sure that is how you do that. And it looks like I don't index it anywhere else, so that should be fine. Yeah, anywhere where I iterate over it like that, I need to do that. So these are probably going to break, so I might just kind of 0 and then comment these out. Okay, so let's see. So that'll take that, and here I need that as well. New grid. So we can't really define the new grid like that either, I don't think. So I'll need the grid, height and width. Then this, actually it's a cell, it's not a character yet, so I can quickly replace that. Whoops. Grid with cell. Grid. Okay, that should be fine. Looking at the source code, and not gonna lie, I think I'm too dumb to do it. Why? It has a lot of escape character things, right? For the colors. Which can look kind of confusing. Alright, then I can't do it like that, and I need to calic it. Shoot. Alright, it doesn't need to be a double pointer, no. Just be a single pointer. So that's actually not even right. Okay, calic. And I think then it's height times width. Height times width. Okay. And then size cell. Okay, I think that'll work. And what is this? Cell times height times width. Okay. So that should be fine. That should work okay. Then, yeah, I need to do the same thing with this. Hopefully this all works. Okay. This needs to be row times width plus column, I think. And here as well. So it needs to be I times width plus j. J. dot state. Shoot. Okay, and that's fine for the automaton. It's just anywhere where we index the grid. Times width plus j. Okay. And then we mem copy. That's fine. We just need to change this. Alright. So, in the grid, we need to pass that here as well. Size t height. We want to create an extension for VS Code HTMX. Just use Neovim. Height. Times width plus j. Okay. Alright, hopefully that all works then. Is there anywhere else? I think that was the last place. I know, but it would be funny though. What language? It's probably JavaScript, right? Yeah, this needs to be a single pointer. So I commented that out. Render, I'm going to need the grid in here. Actually, I do need to change this, right? Because it needs to, no, it's fine. Yeah. So this, I need cell, grid, height, and width. Funny, to make a VS Code extension in Neovim. That would be pretty funny. Print grid. Grid, height, and width. Alright. Alright. I could have even made a structure for it to contain it, so I don't need to pass it all, and it could just be one thing. But I didn't do that, so grid, height, width. Okay. Play. Gonna need that in here as well, because we passed this. Grid, t height, minus t width. Alright, then I'm just gonna have to go through compilation errors. First of all, though, I need to initialize this differently. So, yeah, I can't do this, but I can do malloc. It needs to be a pointer. I'll use calloc because I want it to be 0 initialized. Height times width, size of cell. Alright, and that should work. Okay, yeah, now I suppose I will go through compilation. So let me open up a new terminal. Alright, build it, and alright, that's actually not as many as I thought. So, handle input. Did I mess up handle input? Gen next, height undeclared. Okay, I can just actually replace height everywhere with height. And then also width. Alright, and that is fine. So let's see what else. Okay, unknown name height. Yep, okay, so handle input. Whoops, handle. Okay, I need to actually define this. Alright, not a big deal. Alright. Expected that. Oh yeah, so this needs to be a single pointer. And now all the errors occur. Okay, this is more like what I was expecting. Init grid, alright, so init glider doesn't exist anymore, so I need to actually comment that out where I use that. Right, yeah. And I will add them back, but I need to get it working first. Okay. Alright, yeah, now I just need to go to all of these and actually pass all the stuff. Grid, height, width. Grid, height, width. Alright. Grid, height, and width. Okay. Here as well. Probably a better way to do this, but hang on. Okay. Alright. Alright, right here as well. Here I can comment these out. I'll just do it like that. Okay, init grid. Alright, and let's see what else. Okay, that's not too bad. So, init grid. Where's that at? 296. Grid, height, and width. 334. Grid, height, width. Alright. Okay, and let's see if it works. It probably won't. Alright, yeah, I think it's a little broken. Let me actually quit out of this because I don't need that anymore. Alright, yeah, obviously this does not quite work. Okay. So, let me change this to be, shoot, I think it was like 3015, something like that. Alright, actually that's not what I want. Yeah, I think the indexing is wrong. Like this one would be 30 and this one would be 15. Yeah, so that's not great. Okay, so let me see. I must have done something wrong. Let's see. We can go to the random one first because that will be easy to diagnose. I would need to do this the other way. Hmm. Let me look. Let me see. So C index dynamic 2D array. Yeah, let's see. This will probably show something good. I times C, so that's the number of columns, plus J. That's what I did. Times width, that is that. Maybe I need to do this the other way. So I don't think this is going to work, but yeah, so that's still not right. Init. So, yeah, I don't want to calc it though. I don't want to malloc it. I want to calc it. So R times C. So in the print grid, yeah, that is not right. Plus J is what I wanted there. There we go. Okay. So that is actually where it was wrong at. Okay, and that is actually working. So I should be able to now have this. And then where do I use RV? I use that anywhere. Yeah, program is that. So I'm gonna need to print the usage. Let's set it to that by default. Alright, so I'll check all of that up here. If let's see, so that's the default. So do I want to do that? I'll not have default values. Okay, so I'll just do if argc is less than 2, 3, then I will f standard error usage is program, so I need to copy that out there actually. Height and width, like that. Okay, and exit with 1. Alright, and then I need to take this, move it up here, do that. Okay, and I can pass the program to that. Program, alright, and then, yeah, then I have the other two, so let's see, it's not going to be very large, so I don't really need to use a science T, but fine. Toy, E1, so I do need to check and make sure it's not 0. If height equals 0 or width equals 0, then I want to please enter a valid width and height. Please enter a valid width and height. Okay, I don't need the program here. All right. Okay. That should be good then. Build that. Run this, and I get that. 50, 50. Okay. That seemed to work. And then, let's see, I can make it something really large, but I don't want that to be possible exactly. Because it kind of breaks up. So, maybe I will constrain it. Maybe to be like 100 or something like that. Um, hmm. Is there actually ASCII to unsign? What size to use? So, yeah. And then I'll just check. Or height greater than 100. Or width is greater than 100. And then I need to do... I'll sort of show that here. So I think I can do something like 0 to 100. That kind of shows what I mean. Okay. Then, yeah, I can't do 500, 500. It shows that. Okay, so like 50. Let me look at 100. That's still kind of big, but it does fit. So, also it does depend on your screen size, but okay, pretty cool. It's a little flickery. I think it's going to be kind of large, though. If I make it 50, 20, 25, 50. No, 50, 25. All right, pretty cool. What was this? So did I do this right? No. That needs to be 2. Yeah. All right, so I did actually mess it up. Okay. All right, so that works. This needs to be 1. Okay. So there we go. Now you can control the width and height. I could make it. I don't really want to do that though, because that could cause a lot of problems, and I have to add a lot of checks and stuff. I mean during runtime, I was doing that. So I think it makes more sense when you run the program. All right, all right. 0. Okay, yeah. Now I need to make these work. So let me look at that. Let's end that. Okay. So I need a grid. Size T width. All right, and let me actually. Do that. So, offset plus 0, offset plus 1. So I need to do, like, basically 0 times width plus offset plus 1. And I think that'll work. So, yeah, I need to basically change that for all of these. I don't know the fastest way to do that. Maybe I'll just copy and paste it. Alright, so offset 1. Let's see, 1, and then 2, and 2, and 2. Okay. 2, 1, 0. Whoops. Okay, I messed that up. Glider. Alright, let's see. 0. No. Alright, I just lost all the stuff I did. Okay. That is fine. Times width. Plus that. Okay. 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, 1, 0, 0, 2. Okay. There we go. And then, all right, let me make sure that works. So I need to update that in here. Glider. 25, 25. Dude, I didn't mean to actually do that, so, alright. Let me quit. Quit. Okay. Glider. There we go. Okay, so that did work. Yeah, so I need to do that again for the rest of them. So I can pass them, and they don't need the height, but I'm still going to pass it anyway. And then I will just void it so I don't get the error. Or the warning, rather. Okay. Yes, these are a bit more complicated. Okay, yeah, and that's actually not that hard to do. So plus 1 times width I plus I. Okay. Yeah, and then these need this same thing. Alright. So I need, how many is this? 8. Okay. Plus 0, still. Plus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2. 6, 5, 7, 4, 6, 5, 6, 5. Okay. And then, yeah, these need to be dying. Okay. So I think that'll work then. You should set up TTS, text to speech, for what? For like alerts? Yeah. I could do that. How do you do that? I don't know how actually. How many is this? Actually, it says here. So 8. Oops. It's 1 plus 1, 0. 0, 2, 2, 0, 1, 1. Okay. 6, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. That should be right then, hopefully. Then I just need to set it to the right thing. So conductor, dying, alive, conductor. Alright, these are all now going to be conductors, so... No, whoops, I did that wrong. Okay, something like that. Get rid of this. Let's see. It does not compile, so I messed it up. Because I forgot to update them to actually use that. So, grid, height, and width. So, grid, height, and width. Alright, and now... Unused parameter, yeah. So I will fix that. First, I'll make sure it works. So, 550. Okay, so let me put a glider. That works. A diode. That was almost right. It's a little off, though. So, it's not great. Yeah, because it's supposed to be in the corner. So I think I messed that up a little. Let's see. Let's go to... What was the other one for? Was it for this? I don't remember. It's an oscillator. That does something there. I don't think that's right. Because in here... Yeah, so I messed those up somehow. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Let me look back in here. where I had it before. I'll scroll down to it. Alright, set plus 0, 5. So that, yeah, hang on, I'm looking at the diode. Set plus 1 times width plus, oh wait. Yeah, this doesn't have the offset here. Okay, so it just needs to be plus that. For the other one as well, I believe. Let's make sure. Yeah. Okay, so that is just for this one, that we have the double offset. Okay. Should have been paying attention to that. Yeah, then I will just, I'll do this on the, whoops, on the height, so that I do not get the warning. Okay. Whoops. Alright. Build that, and now it should work. Okay. Yeah, so that's what it's supposed to look like. So if I go to wire world, then yeah, then it says that. And I can go to this one. Is that the right one? Is it in here? Whoops. Okay. Yeah, I don't remember which one it was for, but I think it's working. Hopefully. Okay. Let me just make sure it is all right. The oscillator one. Alright, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, that looks good. And then we have 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 4, 7, 4, 7, 5, 6. Okay, yes, that looks good then. Looks good. No. It's not good. That's supposed to be -1. Offset -1. I should do plus -1, so it is kind of consistent. Yeah. Alright, I didn't realize that though. So it wasn't actually right. Alright. 50, okay. Go to, I think it's for this one. There we go. And now it actually works. Okay, that is good. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Okay. Let me see what else there is. That's most of what I wanted to do. Why is this all messed up? Okay. The gliders, that's all good. Yeah, I can do this as well. But that doesn't really matter anymore, does it? Because I don't have that set up, so I don't even need that. Okay. 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 Yeah, I can just make this a void function now, because I don't think I need to return anything from it. This can be indented as well. So just cleaning up code right now? Pretty much. Pretty much. Because it is pretty much all the features that I wanted right now. Yeah. I think that'll still work then. Yeah. Okay, cool stuff. Should I add some more of these? Is there? What are some other ones? I would implement like the one-dimensional ones, like rule 110, but that would have to change the whole thing. So it doesn't really make sense to add it here. Do I really even need the options anymore? I don't think I use them. Because I set that up, but I don't set the option. Yeah. I don't think I need that. Yeah, I should probably get rid of that then. Wait, is that something? No, I don't think I need that either. Okay, get rid of that. I'll leave it random. But yeah, now I don't need this. I still need that automaton. Okay, let me see if that works. Okay, and I think that actually is good then. Yeah. Okay, cool stuff. Alright. Yeah, there's probably a few other things like that, though. Speed. Do I use the speed anyway? No. So I don't need that either. Yeah. Okay. The state, I use all those. Yeah, I use the mode, obviously. Mm, I still need that. So I don't need the option size. What is the type? Yeah, I need that. Okay, that is for switching between the automaton. So that's quite important. Okay. This is setting up the raw stuff, so I need that. Don't need these counted out ones though. Okay, yeah, so it's really just a few things. Because it's not a super complex application. Um hmm. Okay, this all looks right. Okay. I can just use put C, right? Like this. Alright, let me see if that actually works. Yeah, it looks like it does. And that is much better. So let me see. Oops, no. See. Yeah, so I'm gonna use that everywhere basically. Because I don't think I work in most places with more than a single character. So, obviously here I do, but actually I think that's the only place that I print them out. So I think that's good. There we go. Yes, that is pretty good. This one's really cool. I like this one. Okay. Yeah. So that is good. That is good. Wait, do I? No, I don't print anything there. Yeah, so that makes sense to be print F, so I think that's fine. Alright, that is a... Give it a frame rate of 1080. Why? Why 1080? Here is where... It doesn't really have a set frame rate. I'm not doing... not handling it right. Yeah, here is where I'm doing it. Just where it sleeps for a certain amount of time. I can make it just sleep for 1 millisecond. Or 1 microsecond even. Yeah, and what does that use? Microsecond. Yes, that is what I thought. Yeah, now it's gonna mess up a lot. So, yeah, you can see how short that is. So, yeah. Mm, I don't remember the proper way to handle frame rate though. Do you have to divide it by? To divide it by something. Yeah, I don't remember. I'm not good at game development. Um, it really doesn't need all this anymore, because that was when I was doing the thread stuff. But it seems like a lot of work to remove it. So, yeah. Turn input. Don't need this break after that. I can just get rid of that. And get rid of this. Make it just void. Yeah, there we go. Great, and it works. Okay. What other one is that? Render? Yeah, I don't need that. It can just be void. I think that was the only one. The only other one. Yeah, that should be good. Alright, that's pretty good, I think. Let's see if there's any more that I missed. Any good ones. I'm gonna go to Game Reply. That's not the game that I wanted. No. I need content. It's right here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. What was that about? So he's playing. Okay. That's a thing. Yeah, so I have that. Where is like a list? Variations? Music, I don't see, what is this one? Yeah, that one was a bit different. Was different. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I need you to find it like that. Okay. Yeah. Pretty much all good now. It's pretty much what I wanted. Whoops. I accidentally crashed it, but that's okay. Yeah, so you can control the width and height, which is pretty good. Why was that not any different? I think I'm doing something wrong. Huh. Yeah, maybe the height can't be that much, so I need to actually control that. Wait, maybe I'll cap the height to 25 for now. At least on this monitor. Yeah, okay, that's better. Okay. Pretty cool. What else? Options, next, yeah. That one actually dies out. Does it always die out? Well, that was pretty cool, actually. Kind of probably not good for the bit rate, though. like a river kind of thing or something. Looks pretty cool. Ooh, I like this one. If I randomize it again. Huh. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, this one kind of just goes crazy. But if I think it'll die out. Maybe not. Okay, there we go. It died out. Yeah, so this one's not super interesting unless you can actually control each one. Then you can like draw out circuits and stuff. Yeah, like this is just a simple one that I implemented, but there's some other ones. I should look at that. Yeah, this one's super cool. Why is this one comes up? Where's the automata? Ooh. Okay, it's fine. Yeah. So that is the diode that I implemented. But it can make some pretty cool stuff. This one's really cool. Solar gate. That's pretty cool. I don't know how well you can see that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah. But in this case, it's not super interesting. Mm. Yeah, so I can't push it to the GitHub because... Oops. Yeah, because it is broken for some reason. But I need to look at that. Not on stream, though, because it has passwords and stuff. Okay. Yeah, so that's probably pretty much it then for the stream. A bit shorter today. Tomorrow I am planning on starting on the text editor, so that'll be pretty fun. I'll be using C for that. Yeah, and that one will be a bit more interesting. Hopefully. Yes, that'll be fun. But that is gonna be C gang. Yes. What's up, RGB Cube? How are you doing? What? Give me a public key. Public key for what? SSH access? No, thank you. Don't think I will. Okay. That's right. Okay. Mean for me to give you access to what? A VPS I set up with Nix. Oh, okay. Yes. So what public key then? I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do SSH stuff. SSH keygen, okay. You don't type it, okay. Wait, so now this one. So wait, how do I, so this public one, right? No, yes. But I can show this, right? Like it's safe to show. Okay, so I'll just cat it then. Whoops, I did the wrong one. Whoops. Pretend that didn't happen. Can I delete that and yeah, how do I can I just remove it then? Yeah. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, where was it? There we go. That's the right one. My bad. Did I? No, it was the other one. I removed the one that I leaked. Okay. Ta -ta. Okay, that's past the character limit. Yeah, so that actually didn't work out. I'll copy the rest of it. Where did it stop? Oh, right there. Alright, that is the second part of it. There we go. Wait, what is the config file? It's just config? Yeah, okay. Um, alright, wait, can I show these things that you sent, or should I not show them? Sure. Okay. I just want to make sure I don't show anything wrong. Okay. Okay. There we go. I did that. All right. Now what? Now what am I supposed to do? Okay. SHHQ. Okay. Let me know. Let me know when to do that. It's probably is not good for the bit rate, huh? Yeah, it's probably killing it. Done trying. Okay. Okay. VBB. Okay. I don't know what this means. Try again. Okay. Okay. Well, I was actually done with what I was doing. The automata thing. Okay. Did you push it to GitHub? No, I did not do that yet. I'm going to do that after the stream because I have to set stuff up for the GitHub to work because it doesn't let me push right now because of authentication. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. And I can actually there we go. Now I got the desktop wallpaper back. Mm, Which version of Head Flipper? Yeah, that'd be cool. Not super hard to do that, probably, right? I could add that to my bot. Um, do the push-up thing during Twitch stream. Nice. Yeah. What are all the? Just has. Let's see. Looking at the bot now. So it's got gamble and then balance, right? Points. Are you sure that is that? Can you send it in a paste bin? Okay, sure. Okay. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna make sure I do the right one again. Yeah. Let me paste bin. I've never used paste bin, so I don't know how to use it. Let's see. Can I just make one? You have to log in. Don't do pastebin.com. Okay, which one? Okay. What is? All right. All right. Sure. Um. There we go. Will that work then? Damn it, no. Mm, yeah, it'd be pretty easy to add features to this to make it similar to the head flipper thing. Cause you just need 69 nuts. You just need let's see, gamble and balance, right? Or points. Here, wait, hang on, let me do one. That's a good one. Try it now. Okay. SSH cube. Hmm. Why isn't it working? I don't know. Okay. Now you want to try it again? Let's see, any journal logs. Hmm. Might be, perhaps. I do have a lot of internet issues. There might be. Can't connect for some reason. I have no idea why. Hmm. I could try to set it up on my desktop. I just cannot stream that. Yo, Schooly B, how are you doing? Sure, but you'll need the private key. Yeah, so well I can copy it, right? Yeah. Yeah, well so I'll probably do that after the stream then, and I'll try and see if it works out. Alright. Okay. Yeah, sorry it is not working. I have no idea why. Like, I don't think I have anything that would be blocking it set up. Happy New Year. Yes. Yes, indeed. Mm, okay. Yeah, so that should be pretty easy to do. I can't do it on here though because I don't have the client token on this computer. Otherwise, I would do it right now. But yeah. So just that. So that'd just be a random number. Then the balance. Mm, I don't really want to use an actual database, so maybe I could just use like a CSV file. What are we working on today? Well, earlier I was working on the let me see, the Cellular Automata TUI application. So that is this. Yeah, so we can just do different cellular automata. And then I'm pretty much done with that now. So now I'm pretty much just hanging out. Is there a generic West command parser crate that you can use? I don't like using too many third-party dependencies, so adding game link to Twitch. Yeah, well, I'm not doing that yet. So yeah, I'll probably use a what was I saying? Yeah, just a CSV file for the to store the points. And it's always hosted on my computer, the whole bot and stuff. So it's down when I'm not streaming. Of course not. Wink. Nice. I like this one. That one died out. All right. Yeah. So that is what I was working on. And now I was just thinking about gambling. Do you ever contribute to open source? I have not really done that yet. I would like to find a good project that would be beneficial to contribute to. But not really. Not really something I've done yet. 50x dev code to Arch. Hmm? To Arch. What is the repo? Where's it hosted on? GitLab. Probably there. Hmm. Ta. A lot of stuff here. Launch ISO. Ideas. Hmm. Cool. KDE bill. How about some install scripts? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm not actually gonna do it. Come on, come on. Not not that stupid. Nice. Pack strap. Let's look at pack strap. Back-to-back meetings? Dang. Not a big fan of meetings. Hmm. Hate when works cuts into gym time. That's the worst. Gym time is very important. Every second at the gym could have been used for Arch Linux. Hmm. Let's see, what else is there? Or spent learning NeoVim? True. Given up on it again for the second time. Hmm. Have you do you use the Vim plugin in VS Code? Because that is a good place to start, I think. Keybinds are my problem. I love the VS Code keybinds, although everything else is pretty bad. Well, the Vim keybinds, they do take some getting used to, but I think that they're a lot better than any other one. But if you do like want to switch, I think it would be good to try to get used to using Vim keybinds in VS Code, like the basic motions and stuff like that, and then it'd be a lot easier to switch over entirely once you get used to that, you know. And anything in particular that you want from VS Code, you could add to, like the keybinds and stuff. You could add to that. Could get a lazy.nvim config. Why is that a link? I don't know. That's what I was wondering. When it's brute. Tried changing some keybinds, but ran into issues where some plugins seem to need the ones I changed. That's why in my config, I try to have very few plugins. Like here, I have it on here, it just doesn't work. Let's see, I have in here, let's see. It's not very many. So I have this. Yeah, just a few. So it's like 10 or something like that. I have pretty minimal configs. 10, and a lot of them are kind of like the same thing as well. Like duplicates. Not duplicates, but from the same, for the same purpose. And then I don't run into too many conflicts like that. Godot. Lazy Viv. So how does that work? Make it easy to customize and extend your config. Yeah, it's a distro. Yeah. Blazingly fast. Wanted someone to make a super lightweight VS Code. Well, the main reason that VS Code is so bloated is because of the Electron stuff, right? But that's also where a lot of the benefit comes from, so. Okay. Yeah, I used, I don't remember what it's called. It's like Chad NV or something like that, or RC. NV Chad, yeah, that one. That's what I used initially, and then I made my own custom one. NV Chad, yeah. Mm, Rust, let's look at the Rust. No. Let's look at that. Tools. Vampire without any powers. USB. Hmm. Yo, what's up? But I will, Pog. One sec. Okay. Mm, hmm. Let's see something else actually. Firmware. Let's look at that. Waybar widget. Let's look at that. So, C++. Let's see. How do they have a way to make a widget? Two Waybar configs in the same file? How does that work? Let's look at this. Mm. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Slayer. Kind of like a widget. How does that work? Running them at the same time? Ew. Mm. You, the widget thing, yeah. Yes. The thing called ew. What did that stand for again? I don't know. Wacky widgets. This thing, right? Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Right. Accounting. In the Linux kernel, delays. What about, let's see. DWM. Uh, where's that hosted? Source. Yeah. Simple terminal. I don't use it, but it could be fun to contribute to. DWM, that's what I was looking for. Or how about debug? Maybe. This is like the commit messages. Oh, awesome! It's a DWM fork. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool, actually. Yeah, this is the one that I use on my desktop. Yeah. What else do I use? What about some of these? TV image. I've been meaning to use this for something as well. That could be cool. 70. Oh, shoot. That's a lot of lines. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back just for like about 3 minutes. Yeah, right back. Okay, I am back now. All right. All right. Yeah, so I was looking at this. I can close that. Quit out of that. See, I think there was a hash map one actually. That one could be fun to look at. Um. Actually, I think it's not an STB. It's back here, wasn't it? Right in here, yeah. Maybe not. Okay, that's what it is. Data structures, okay. Let me go back, actually. Let want to make sure I'm following. There we go. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Oh, Horseman01 followed? Sorry, I did not see that till just now. Thank you. Photography. What else? What is some open source software that I use? Hmm. Source software. Let's see. Yeah, I know what open source is. That's not what I meant. It's our list. Yeah. PHP. Wow. Let me see actually. Python. Let's look at Python. That's interesting. Have the source code. Yeah. Do I have to download it? I want to look at it. Yeah, there we go. Python, C, Python. Python is gonna be in here. Let's look at the AST. Okay. Hmm. What's a smaller one? What was that called? Hmm. Like an operating system, but it's tiny kernel, something like that. Yeah, this could be cool. Could be fun to work on. I don't know a lot about operating system development though. Kernel development specifically. So .c. Hmm. Cool. $1,600 put on my truck today? What do you mean? What does that mean exactly? 1,600 what? $1,600. Oh, okay, I see. Dang, that's horrible. Sorry about that. Hmm? I don't understand what this means. So why is it done like this? C has a continue keyword? Yeah. In like a loop, you can put continue and then it'll skip that iteration. But where is continue adding here? I don't even see it. Oh, right there. I see. See, hmm. There we go. That's better. Mm. Video is probably interesting. Mm-hmm. String.c. Mm. Stir talk. Okay, yeah, this is just like C stuff. Yeah, char.c. Mm. Utils, what's in here? Toa. Hmm. Cool stuff. Okay. Oh. Mm. Mm. Yeah, this is early, actually. I don't know. Mm. Let's see, what else is there? Let's see, there. Firefox, sure, I could look at that. Browser's kind of complicated. Is it on GitHub? I haven't zoomed in too much now. Um, that probably said actually out here. Okay. Chrome has infected the Firefox. Mm-mm-mm. Network. Where's the hmm, don't know how to VS Code. There was real Chrome in Firefox. It would take up 99.9% of your RAM. Facts. Browser. That's what I was looking for. Base. Sure. Maybe not that. I don't know what I mean. Let's see, where is just the installer? No. Maybe make file. Maybe it is base. Content. Hmm. I don't know how to navigate this code base. Modules. How about Chromium source code? Oh, sure, this is a mirror, that's okay. Chrome. Android app build. There's so much stuff here. Why do we need this much stuff in a browser? GPU installer, browser. Browser, I hardly know. This is a lot of stuff. This is like more stuff than was in the whole Linux kernel. Hey, how are you doing? Chrome OS is in the browser? Wait, where did it say Chrome OS? What the bones? Chrome OS, what the heck? I didn't see that. Huh? Oh, okay. Chrome OS specific code that has // Chrome dependencies. Where's the actual code, though? How do we get there? Creator, device, dev tools. Let's look at the dev tools. Let's see, is there any... There we go, we actually get some stuff. Some files. Why is it .cc? What is that? Just C? Okay. No, C++. Hmm. You ever got around to try that pip running yet? I have not yet. I have not. I haven't had much time. Maybe, let's see, I don't have it on here. I would try it now. But yeah, it's on my desktop. Yeah. I will try it. I will try it. I've just not yet. I've been pretty busy. Don't care about that. Actually, there was an online one. I could try that. If I can find it again. Yeah, I mean, I could play it now, I suppose. Yeah, here we go. Let's see. Do I need a tutorial? Quick stats. Terminal. Interface with your computer. Okay. Help. Okay, list all the terminal commands. Okay. Enter ls. Yeah, I get that. No rush. Yeah. I've been meaning to do it. Scan. It's mostly JavaScript though, right? Scan analyze. What does that mean? I'm not gonna read all that. I'll figure it out. Analyze 2. I'll just skip this. I'll figure it out. Let's see. Script editor. Nano. Vim. Dang. Oh, there is Vim. Test.c. Touch test.c. Can I do that? Dang. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Is there Angular? Probably not. Probably should actually follow the tutorial. Starting handbook.lit. Okay, can I cat? There we go. Okay. Some resources in the program. Yep. NextScript.js. What is that? Basic mechanics. What is this? Okay, well that's fine. I'll do that. Ooh, okay, so that's what it uses. NextScript. Hacking is the most profitable way to earn money in progress. What? Okay. Hack and grow both work by percentages. Hack steals a certain percentage of the money on a server, and grow increases the amount of money on a server by some percentage. Because hack and grow require percentages, they are more effective if the target server has a high amount of money. Therefore, you should try to increase the amount of money on a server, using grow to a certain amount before hacking it. Get server money available and get server max money. Server level affects that. Okay. Okay, I see. So, can I do that? Alright. Create program. Can I do that? Let's see. Alright, here is this. So, can I... Alright, I probably should follow that tutorial. Can I set it back up? Maybe not. Can I just reload this thing? Alright, I will try that. Okay, that didn't work. Depreciate. Oh, okay. There's a newer one. Let's see, let's see. I'll follow the tutorial this time. Stats. Okay, terminal. Yeah, so it wants me to help. Then ls. Then scan. Then scanalize. Then scanalize 2. Then connect noodles. It's only one node away. Okay, so let me see where that's at. Noodles. Right here, okay. Connect. Analyze. Finishes running. It will show useful information about hacking the server. It's only one. Which means you can hack it right now. Alright, run nuke. I'm going to do // because it let me do that before. Okay, it doesn't like that. Okay, gain root access. We can now run scripts on this server. Okay. Hack. Okay. We're now attempting to hack the server. Before a hack takes time, it only has a certain percentage chance of success. Attempt to hack the server is successful, you will steal a certain percentage. Okay. Alright, grow. Okay, that takes a while. Then weaken. Okay, wait, does it not want me to do that? Oh. Nano? Alright, wait, here. Does that exist then? What? Bro. Nano. Noodles.js. Okay. It wants me to type out this stuff. Can I? Right, copied. Okay. Kind of in the way. I can't see it though. Oh, there we go. Alright. Wait, ns.hack. Okay. This is how real hacking works, by the way. Save. Okay, let's open this back out. Free. 8 GB. Message is highlighted. Pog. Run noodles. Alright, the script is now running. We'll continuously. Wait, what? It didn't work though. Oh shoot. I actually messed it up. But I did not realize that. Terminal. Let me run that again. Okay, now it doesn't let me run it again, so active scripts is not. It's not gonna work now. I messed up the tutorial. Alright, let's see. I think I can figure it out. So, okay, now it's actually running. I can look at it in here. Can I connect to it? Dang, okay. Analyze. What was the other one called? It was analyze something. Scandalize. So what do we have? Let's see, can I try this one? Food stuff. Food and stuff. Okay, analyze. Okay, let me see. Hack. Oh, right, I need to run that nuke. Okay, grow. Okay, let me grow again, and then I will do the script again. Okay. Connect home. Let's look in here. So actually I need to make a new one. Okay. Newfound EIC is an EIC, but the terminal is Linux. Yes. It has to be clear that it's an executable though, so I think that's fair. Alright, will this work? Can I actually run? Dang. Alright, so I can't look at it. It is what it is. Okay, and then okay, is it working? Okay. On my time. Alright. I think it is working. Ooh, I could get a node. It's a global decentralized network of machines. Alright, let me get one. Okay. Get monies. Pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else. What else? City. Whoa. Let's hit the gym. I don't know what to do with that. Travel. 200K, I can't afford that. Okay. Alright, let's do another one then. Alright, what is free money? Purchase your first hacknet node. Why did it take so long? Alright, scandalize. Let's see. Acquired hack and seal. So my hack and seal is 3 now, so I can go a bit high. No, I can't. Let's see. Do I have to just wait then? Let's see. Yeah, I think I have to wait. So can I... Let's upgrade this. Now we're making the big bucks. Okay. Should I get another node? I don't know if it's worth it at this point. Let's see. What was it called? Connect, yeah. Yeah, and then can I grow? Can I do that again? Right, let me try one more time. Okay, I think if I do it again, as long as it doesn't disconnect me, I think I'll have enough XP to do the next one. Could probably shrink it too, right? Okay, now I have level 5, so let me connect home. And then scandalize. Let's see, how about, yeah, this one. So Sigma menu. Okay, and then can I analyze? So what have we got here? All right, yeah, let me run that. Okay. Um, then I need to hack. Okay. And let's see, can I grow? Do I want to though? With this one? I don't know. Oh, you can make an infinite loop to keep hacking. Ooh, in the scripts. Okay. Because I have, let's see, this one. So that hacks it, right? Okay, okay. Yeah, let me connect home. And make one for Sigma Cosmetics. Okay. I'll do this, and then I'll also do the, so is it ns dot, ooh, that's a lot of stuff here. Let's see, I'm not gonna get too deep into it right now, but is there, yeah, ns dot grow, let me try that. Can I make this a Vim terminal? Or Vim editor? No, it's Nano. No, but there was Vim, hang on. So I think I can do that. Will that work? Ooh, there is Vim. Okay, I like that. Yes indeed. Alright, so that worked then. No, I need to change this name though. Alright. And then, let's look at those then. Wait, did it work? Did I forget something? Alright. I think it's going. Should I add grow to these? Shoot, I need to close these at their Vim. Dang, I don't have enough RAM. Okay, so I need to upgrade the RAM. Ooh, okay, it's running it twice. So I don't need this second one then, right? Okay. Hmm. I don't know if this one's working. Mm-mm-mm. Alright, let's see, can I do... Let's see. I don't think this one's working. I think I need to do something else. Oh, okay, so it's not... That failed, okay. Almost there. Yeah, the security level is too high. That's what I was thinking, yeah. So maybe I should shrink it. So what is that, or what's it called? Is it shrink or weaken? Yeah, I could try that. Then it'd be able to be hacked easier, right? I understand. Oh, it's gonna try to do that, so that's fine. Okay, I think I need to restart it actually, so... Alright, I did get to level 10 though, so I can try that. Joe's Guns, let's do that. Anyways, let's see. Alright, can I... Okay. I want to make sure it succeeds, and then I can make a script for it. Fail. Alright, let me weaken it. Do that till it succeeds. Alright, then I'll set up the script for it. see, maybe. What does that return? Yeah, hack. Hack successful. Okay, so now I will go here. Can I copy paste to maybe I could have 25. Is that gonna work? Maybe not. Okay. Never mind. Let me see if this will work. Alright. So it should be going now. Alright, it is weakening it, so it's just gonna take a bit of time. This one seems to be working. Okay. What else? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go now. Alright, the game hopefully is saved, so I think if I reload it, then it should load the same game. So I can come back to it. Yes. Okay, cool stuff. I'll probably download the game also on my computer, and then actually play it properly, but, yeah, pretty cool. It is fun. Need to learn a lot more about this stuff, though. The API. Okay. Yeah, so that's gonna be about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.